What up, YouTube? This your boy Big C back at you. I'm in the garage doing little projects. I got like 3 projects going at one time. So I'll probably name this working in the garage for the day. I'm not gonna be in here too long. Gotta take my wife to the doctor, but I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. All right, so let me flip the camera. How y'all like my junky workbench? Just finished it a couple of weeks back. But anyway, I'm putting this LED light. I think it's 12 or so many LEDs. It's bright. But I'm putting it on my 48-inch mower. And I'm gonna put this sharpener. I gotta get some mounting bolts to go into my, what's the name, for this bracket. I'm gonna mount it to sharpen my blades, my mower blades. So let me go over to the mower real quick, show you how I'm gonna mount this underneath the little part of my, what's the name, my mower. So I got a drill, but I'm gonna drill right through here somewhere and put a on-off switch for the light. I'm thinking about adding some warning lights to it too. But I'm gonna put the light right here, under here. I wish if you can see, it's holes already under there, but they don't match up with what I got. But yeah, I'm gonna put the light under there with an on and off switch. And one thing I will say, I like right dead, and I tested it out with my tester. You see them two? You got a hot lead and a ground lead, and all I gotta do is just plug right into it. So, and it's constantly on. So that's why I'm gonna hook up my light, run the cables in there and hook it up to that. So let me get halfway into it and I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I get there. Oh, let me show you real quick. Hold on for a second. So I did have to wire up my on and off switch. It's a straight little, I'm gonna try to get this in focus, toggle on and off. So I had to solder the wires on here, and then I put some heat shrink, and I got a very long lead, but I'm gonna cut that down. So this is gonna go on the hot side. So when flip on, lighter come on, flip off, lighter go off. All right. Okay, so right now, I got my 2 wires ran, which is gonna be power from the switch. And this one is gonna be going over to that one. But I mounted my switch. I was about to mount it there. See where that hole is at, but I'm gonna put another switch there for my warning lights. And then here go this one, just a regular on and off toggle. So get it in the off position. And then I'm gonna make my holes to mount the light underneath right here. All right. So what's up, YouTube? I just got finished mounting the light and wiring it up. And so I'm gonna show you how it looks. So let me flip this camera real quick and I'll explain it to you. Light off, light on. So it's a bolt right here that goes through this little piece right here. That's where my ground is set at. And then my hot is going to that hot lead I showed y'all earlier. And here go my switch. That's on, that's off, it's on, that's off. You see the daytime is bright, but you can see how bright you can see the reflection off my truck. But yeah. So I am gonna add warning lights, but yeah, there go my hot lead. It's just stuck in there. So yeah. Didn't take me too long, but yeah, there you go. On, off, on, off. All right, holla.